Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the video background in VN Apps or VN Editor. So in here, you can start by clicking on your projects and first choose the video that you want as the background. So I want to change my video later with these backgrounds right here. So click on the plus icon at the top to add the video that you want to change its background. So I've already selected a video that I want to change a background. So this video here, as you guys can see, has a green screen background, and what you need to do is first remove the background of the video, the green screen, using the chroma option. So click on chroma and adjust the color picker to the green screen just like that, and here you can adjust the intensity and the spill. Click on the check icon. Now we can just reposition the person in the video, and just like that, now the background has been changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.